The $1,200 Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is the largest in the trio of Tab S9 slates, with a dazzling 14.6-inch display. This massive machine comes with an S Pen stylus, a top-notch processor, lengthy battery life, and tight integration with Samsung smartphones to keep you productive on the go. It weighs 732 grams. If this is too much tablet for you, the mid-size Galaxy Tab S9 Plus has a 12.4-inch screen and weighs 586 grams, while the Tab S9 has an 11-inch screen and weighs 498 grams. The Tab S9 family is available in two colors, beige or graphite. For the first time, the Galaxy tablet and its included S Pen stylus have a rating of IP68, meaning they are dust and waterproof. All three Tab S9 models can handle being immersed in water for up to 30 minutes and rinsed off when dirty. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 covers the screen, and while this is not the latest version, it can survive drops up to nearly 4 feet onto hard surfaces and resist scratching. The 14.6-inch, dynamic AMOLED 2X display has a resolution of 2960 by 1848 pixels with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, a peak brightness of 930 nits, and an effective aspect ratio of 16:10. Considering the size of the display and how reflective it can be, the Tab S9 Ultra can be difficult to use outdoors in natural sunlight. Indoors, the display is bright enough to handle normal room conditions. The display also features an in-screen fingerprint sensor near the USB-C port. A notch for the two 12-megapixels front-facing cameras interrupts one of the long edges of the tablet. One has a standard view and the other an ultra-wide view. The power button and volume rocker reside on the top edge, left of the front-facing cameras, and a micro SD card slot sits to their right. There are a total of 4 AKG tuned speakers with Dolby Atmos support, with two grills found on each short edge of the tablet. A USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port for power and data is on one short edge as well. The other long edge features 2 indentations and 3 Pogo plug connectors to attach optional accessories like a keyboard. The rear panel is mostly a massive sheet of plain metal. There's a section near the top where the included S Pen attaches and charges magnetically, along with 2 camera lenses that protrude 1 to 2 mm from the metal surface. Other than that, there's a camera flash, the Samsung logo, and some antenna lines. The S9 Ultra runs on Android 13 and will get 4 Android OS updates and 5 years of security updates. Samsung's One UI runs atop Android and allows for seamless activities like taking a call or responding to a text if the tablet is linked to a Samsung phone. Samsung's approach to multitasking should appeal to power users. The pop-up view allows you to interact with even more apps by placing a floating, resizable window or video player on top of the others. The taskbar makes it easy to bring your favorite or most recent apps into the tiled interface or as a pop-up or to simply switch to another full-screen app. The base model of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, which comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, and there are 2 other models, a variant with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage and one with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. All 3 are powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy system on a chip. The processor, with a fast octa-core CPU, delivering speeds of up to 3.36 GHz. It also has a built-in Adreno 740 GPU that improves image processing. On Geekbench 6, a suite of tests that quantifies raw computing power, the Tab S9 Ultra scored 2097 on the single-core test and 5506 on the multi-core test. On the PC Mark Work 3.0 test, which evaluates general mobile tasks, the Tab S9 Ultra reached 15606. There is no charger provided in the box, but the Tab S9 Ultra can 11,200 mAh battery, fast charge at up to 45 watt. We found that it took 1 hour and 40 minutes to charge from 0 to 100% at that charging speed. The Tab S9 Ultra comes with Bluetooth 5.3, in handy for private listening as there is no headphone jack on the device. This device supports Wi-Fi 6E but does not support NFC.